welcome to Kids Drawing TV after the summer vacation. Hey Jerry, how's your summer vacation? Yeah, it was great. I spent really nice time with my families. Oh, that's great. Today I'm going to draw a monster truck. Here is the wheel of my monster truck. Oh, yeah, it looks great. And here is the body for my monster truck. Here is the back part, here is the top, and that is the window, and these are the door and the back part. Here is the connector spring. Oh, awesome, John. So here is my monster truck. I'm adding the color. Yeah, red color and another color. Jerry, do you know what color it is? I know that is the blue. Yes, you are correct. I am using blue color for my monster truck back part. Great. So we'll use more color there? Yeah, I will use more color, but most of that are blue. Blue color, red color. Can you guess what color would be next? You will use definitely black color for the tire. And maybe green color for the glasses. Let's see, Jerry. At first, I am adding yellow color. You are using yellow color on the wheel. Oh, so you want to use the black color? I'll use black color, but not for now. I'll use that when the drawing finishes. Here's the yellow color first. And the next color would be yellow again. Yellow color wheels. And then I may add here is the sky blue. Oh, you're using sky blue, but I thought you used green for the glasses. Not green. That is sky blue for the glasses. That is good. No problem. Jerry, you could not tell that. Okay, here is the another color. Black color. Oh, yeah, I said that you use black color for the tire. Yeah. Did you see the monster truck before? No. Here are the look at.